Hey guys, today let's try to play music on Discord on the iPhone. So all we need to do first is to launch the Discord application on our device. Now you need to go on over on a specific server which has a music playing bot or plugin with that specific server. Now we do have some sample servers over here that does have that specific feature. I'm going to go ahead and look for that real quick. But essentially, you need to go ahead and join a specific server which has that feature going on. In this case, basically, we have this server which has that feature, and you could easily go ahead and use a specific bot for you to go ahead and play some music. So all we need to do is to go ahead and enter the command of this bot to play music on a specific server that you are joined into. So once you're there, just go ahead and enter the command that is obtained with this bot, and you can also go ahead and look on the specific rules and server list, or basically command list of this bot to see what specific commands will work on this bot. Of course, every bot is different. You need to go ahead and do your own research, and essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.